here, and in this video I am going to walk you through the basic steps of installing one of our custom microwave trim kits. Here I've got a photo that a client sent in just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like after it's installed. So a couple of notes: please don't use this as the installation video when you do receive your trim kit. I've been hesitant to make a video like this because I don't want it to be used as an installation video. Your kit will come with specific videos for your particular kit. And also I share a lot more detail and a lot more tips and tricks in those videos to make installation really simple. But we do get a lot of questions about installation, so I wanted to make a video just walking you through the basic generic steps to install a trim kit. So again, I know it's tempting to get the trim kit in and just get to work installing it, but please watch those videos because it does make things much easier and answers a lot of questions that people might have. So without further ado, I will move on to step one. So the first thing, and I just grabbed screenshots from our installation videos to show you how the components go in here. And so the first thing you'll see is some rails that are custom made based on the height of your cabinet and the model number that you provided to us. And so these are sheet metal rails, shaped like an upside down U, and they've got some little discs in here that hold it in place so it doesn't move back and forth left to right. And so yeah, basically this is what your microwave is going to rest on to center it in the opening. Next up is the stabilizer, or what I call the stabilizer, but basically it kind of holds the microwave in place so it doesn't shift while it's being used. And we have two versions of this. Yours may not look like this, but this is our slotted version. And basically the way this one works is the back of the microwave butts up against this flat piece of sheet metal in the back and holds it in place, keeps it from shifting backward. You can see it has slots here that allow for a lot of adjustment, and in the detailed video I go through an easy way to find out where to sit this in the cabinet so that it is in the right spot. So here is just an overall photo to help you kind of get a feel for what it looks like before the microwave goes in. We've got our sheet metal rails in place, and then we've got our stabilizer back here that the microwave is going to rest against. And here's with the microwave in place. And I did choose this photo because it's got our other stabilizer system in it. Yours may look like this. It just depends on the measurements that you give us and which one will work for your application. So that's why we do two different styles, but both work great. We've had really good feedback on both. And so yeah, both work really well. But anyhow, okay, so next up, how do you install the face frame that covers all this up and makes it look really nice? So the way you do this is you've got 4 metal brackets, 1 in each corner, and they look like this. And you can't see it, but there's a magnet down inside this channel, and that's what attracts the face frame to the clip and holds it in place. And you'll notice some slots right here, and that's I'll tell you why we have those. But again, I go in detail in the video walking you through how to find out where to place these on your cabinet. Got a really nice way of doing that, so it's pretty simple. And so here's just an overall picture showing the 4 clips in place, 1 in each corner. And the next thing we do is install the face frame. And again, it's magnetic, so it's really nice. You just rest it on the top and then it snaps into place. That way, if you ever have to remove it for any reason, again, just pull it off of there, or if you have to adjust it or anything like that. And so those slots are in here because this one, I don't know that this picture is really the right picture to show, but let's say you get it installed and just, you want to make it look almost perfect in terms of the gap adjustment and everything. Then let's say you have a little small gap up here and a little wider gap down here. It's as simple as pulling it off of there and loosening up some screws and then moving those slotted brackets just a little bit up or down. And yeah, that's how you can adjust the height just to get your fit just right. So yeah, that's the basic installation. Here's what it looks like when it's all said and done, and you get all the smudges off from your installation and everything. So yeah, looks really nice, nice clean look, and hope that helps you get a feel for what's, the components involved and the steps involved. Um, and again, just to overkill on this, but please watch the videos when you receive your trim kit. It will help a great deal and walk you through how to make this as simple and easy as possible. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Happy to help. Thanks.